you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So today's look is going to be all about the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this primer here. I bought from Amazon. I had this look recorded already, but the lighting on the video was like horrible. I was trying to adjust the lighting so to be brighter. So I'm redoing it now. So now I'm going to go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use this shade, yellow. I'm going to bring it into the corner of my eye here. The difference from this look and the other look that I did is I'm not going to do a half cut crease. I did a full cut crease on the other one. The next shade I'm going to go into is this one here. I think it's like a pink. It looks pink to me off camera, but on camera it looks red. So I'm going to go into this shade here. And another difference is I'm not going to be using a turquoise colored shade. I'm going to be just going into this purple here and with the same brush but at the other end. What I'm gonna do now is start blending them out, blending the colors out, marrying the colors, as they would say. And I'm gonna blend the next shade together, which is this pink and this purple. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is take my Q-tip and my Vaseline and cut my crease. I already started on it a little bit. You can tell right here. So I'm just gonna finish that. I'm gonna take a little bit off at a time because I don't wanna go too high up and I don't want it to be too low. I'm not that good at doing cut creases. But I notice every time I do practice, I'm getting a little better. What I'm gonna do is go back into this primer and create my cut crease. What I'm gonna do is like tap it on there. I hope y'all can see me. Okay, so I'm going back into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using this lime green here. And I'll place that on, and I'm just gonna place it on top of my eyelid where I did the crease. To achieve the half cut crease look, I'm going to add that purple back in on the side and try to blend these two shades in together. So now I'm gonna like blend it to get rid of that harsh line. So this is how it's looking so far, and I love it. I love the look of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be back with the whole finished look, because you all know like my my foundation and everything routine is like still the same. So I just wanted to make this video all about the eyeshadow. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. If you like this video on this eyeshadow look, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.